Hello students, good morning. I am Dhirendra Kumar, Modern English School, New Area, Senior Wing. This is third part of video lecture of lesson first of Geography Resource. Yesterday we studied about types of resource, and yesterday we have seen natural resource and human-made resource. We studied yesterday that some natural resources are used directly by human being, but some natural resources, for their better use, they require some modification, and after modification they became human-made resource. So what human require to modify natural resource? No doubt human require technology, skill and knowledge to modify the natural resource. Students, yesterday we have seen that water, air, these resources can be used directly, but can you use iron ore directly? No. So to use iron ore, to extract iron ore, we require some skill, some equipment, some knowledge and technology. That's why Indian government had set up a ministry, Human Resource Development Ministry. Human Resource Development Ministry. Why? Because all the country realized that if they have to develop well, they have to develop their human resource. Here we should know what is human resource. Dear students, human resource is number of people and ability of people. Skill of people is called human resource. Dear student, there is contradiction to consider human as resource. Some learned people do not agree to consider human as resource. But can you guess or can you imagine, without knowledge, without technology, without the help of a human being, we use resources in the best way? No. 1000 years ago or 500 years ago, air blows very fast, but human did not know how should they could be used, how moving wind or moving air could be used. Flowing water. If human saw flowing water, but they did not know how to use flowing water, but with the help of technology, with the help of knowledge, with the help of skill, now humans are able to use these resources. For example, running water can be used to generate hydroelectricity. Moving air can be used to generate hydroelectricity, to run the mill. Dear students, human resource is the best resource at present. Because why human resource are the best resource? Because this is the human being who modified the natural resource, who made the resources as resource, who made the natural substance as resource. How? Because human beings are the wisest animal in this world. Dear students, how can we develop human resource? We can develop human resource by investing in education, health, by making them skillful and trained. So, all the country should invest in health, education, skill and training of people. So, all the government should set up schools, colleges and universities and training centers. They should also set up hospitals, because unhealthy person cannot perform well. So, health is major concern for human resource. The government should invest in schools, colleges, universities and training and making people skillful. Dear students, take some examples. Can you guess why European countries are leading country of the world? Why they are leading in technology? Why they are considered as developed country and India is developing country? No reason other than development of human resource. They know very well that if human resource are developed of their country, that country must be developed. Human resource of India is not developed. This requires some steps to be taken to develop human resource. And good news is that India is also on the way of becoming the developed country. More and more schools, colleges, industries, universities are being set up in India to develop Indian human resource. That's all. Tomorrow we will study conservation of resources. Have a nice day. Stay at home to fight with Corona. Good day.